The revolutionary contributions of Antoine Lavoisier. Join us as we dive into the life of Antoine Lavoisier, the man who transformed chemistry from a mystical art to a modern science, revealing secrets that shaped industries and our understanding of the world. Antoine Lavoisier is hailed as the father of modern chemistry for a reason. By introducing the law of conservation of mass, he transformed chemical reactions. This concept tells us that matter cannot be created or destroyed, only changed, forming the basis for balancing chemical equations. Lavoisier was pivotal in identifying and naming the gases oxygen and hydrogen. He demonstrated how oxygen is essential for combustion. By debunking the phlogiston theory, he shifted scientific thinking, providing a more accurate understanding of how chemical reactions occur. His contribution to chemical nomenclature simplified the classification of compounds. Lavoisier's systematic method of naming chemicals, based on their composition and properties, brought clarity and order, allowing scientists worldwide to communicate in a common language that advanced collaborative research. Lavoisier's innovations didn't just revolutionize his time, they continue to impact chemistry today. His methods of experimentation and observation set new standards for scientific inquiry, inspiring generations of chemists to pursue deeper understanding of the material world. Now that you've unraveled Lavoisier's groundbreaking contributions, imagine how these principles apply to chemistry today. Dive deeper into the fascinating world of chemistry with us. Subscribe for more insightful lessons, and embark on a journey towards mastering this dynamic field.